Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more videos, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next video, because on every Saturday I upload a new tutorial of turban or new vlogs about my lifestyle. So in this beautiful tutorial I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying turban, and that is how can you give a look to your turban like Sultan Aman. He belongs to Oman, and I saw his turban and that was amazing. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Omani style turban like Sultan Aman. Okay, so let's see how can you tie this. So this is the turban right now I am tying. This is so easy. You guys can tie this for photography, for any event. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up, leave your beautiful comments below, and don't forget to visit my Instagram, because I'm always on my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and my Instagram is coming here, so waiting for you on my Instagram. Allah Hafiz till my next video.